Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to remove phone number from Snapchat account. So first thing that you will do is simply open up the Snapchat application into your device. And from here guys, just simply tap on your profile on the top left corner of the screen. And from here, just simply tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. And from here, just simply tap on the mobile number over here. So just simply tap on that. So guys, from here, you cannot delete your current phone number. You have to add a new phone number in order for you to remove the current phone number. So guys, you can use a Google Voice for a backup number and just type it in over here. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about the application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just comment down below and we will try our best to answer your question. And thanks for watching.